Hey, Corey here, Canadian RC guy. We're back in the shop. If you can see behind me, we're working on that drag car. Time to turn it into a dirt car. So we went and got another set of Traxxas tires off of the old Facebook Marketplace. We figure they're going to fit right on here nicely. We may have to chop up the body a little bit here at the front. I'm not 100% sure. We'll get to that when we get to it. And if the shocks aren't big enough, we got a big old set of monster shocks we can probably throw on it. Whether we do it this video or next, we'll have to take it for a little rip around the back track and see how it does out. So I'm sure you've seen tires put on before, so we're just going to use a little movie magic. We'll get those tires put on. And there we have it. Drag tires off, dirt tires on. I think this thing is going to work pretty good. I'm not 100% sure how this body's going to sit on here. See if we can do it with one hand here. Here, give me a second, we'll get her thrown on. We've got the back ones lifted up pretty high. The front ones lifted as high as they can go. But don't think it's going to quite sit down over those tires. Here, we'll slide her to the side here. I'm going to have to do a little bit of trimming right here. We'll trim up to the front of the bumper right here. Then hopefully she'll sit down that little bit. If we have to, we'll just keep on trimming. Give us a few minutes. We'll be right back.
A few moments later.
So there we have it. We got her trimmed up. We may do a little bit more trimming or sanding, but this suspension doesn't do much for going down. Pull the body right off. It does a lot of up travel, but we've got it. She can turn. Get my hand in here. She's got a full turn out both ways. We'll spin her around the other way here. Pretty well the same thing on the other side. She's cut out pretty good. I think she'll be okay. And we got lots of turn there for it. I think we're probably going to end up painting the body here eventually. We're going to yank this wing off too, get that out of the way. But for today's run, she can sit the way it is. So give us a couple of minutes. We're going to throw that battery on boil. Then we're going to head out back to the track. All right, well, we're out here at the track. Got this thing converted over to the dirt car from the drag car. Let's do a few laps and see how it is. I'm sure we're going to have to do some shocks, probably some gearing, but that'll be next video. For now, we'll just see how it is with the new dirt tires on it. All right, let's turn a few laps and hopefully don't break this thing first off. Huh. She definitely doesn't, she jumps good, but she doesn't land all that great. That's for sure. We're definitely gonna have to do some shocks for this thing. She's all over the place. I mean, it is a drag car, so I mean, can't say this is gonna ride beautiful. We may end up having to lift that body up just a little bit more in the back. Oh, she really digs in. I'll make sure on some of the views or some of the trips around, I zoom in on the camera there so you can, whoa! And we're on our roof. I flipped her around so we're going the other way. Oh, she's spinning right out. She definitely sends it up in the air, that's for sure. Kind of nose high. Can't really, absolutely feels like there's no traction. I can barely give it maybe a quarter throttle. She's pretty bouncy. Definitely not the suspension for this dirt. Ooh, there we go, right around the corner. As soon as I give her any, we send her sky high. Oh, there we go. Whoa. She's definitely a little hard to control. That's for sure. I'd really like to be able to rip it a lot faster, but she's all over the place. We're trying not to have any of the steering assist on. You know. There we go, that was a good one. Whoa, right off the side. We'll spin her around here and go the other way. There we go. Thinking something like this maybe needs to get a set of paddle tires or something like that. What do you guys think? If you think we should order some paddle tires for this thing, just drop her down there in the comments. But shocks is definitely gonna be the next thing we do. Then we'll have to see what kind of gearing this thing has in it, and go through that. Maybe we'll slow it down just a hair. Whoa, right off the side again. All right, well, we'll turn a couple more laps here. Oh, that was a good one. We'll turn a couple more laps and then we'll end this video off. Drive right out of the hole. We really got to work on that back corner. Ah, get out of there. So hard to handle. Oh, well, I guess we're going this way now. She really just sends it nose high, that's for sure. One more big old jump here. Oh, center. That was a good one. Good one. I'm shocked this thing is holding up as well as it is for being a drag car. We're out here just throwing some tires on it and sending over these. Oh, there we go. Sending over these big jumps. We'll go flip the car over. We'll end this video off. Well, as always, thanks so much for watching. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that button down below. Ring that bell so you get all the new video updates. If you have any comments on what you want to do to this car, drop them down in the comments. And if you could, give us a big thumbs up, because it always helps us out. So thanks so much, and we'll see you again soon.